The Children's Rights Advice and Assistance Team offer a free and confidential helpline which is there to advise and assist children and young people, or those who care for them, if they feel that children have been treated unfairly. Our advice team puts the voice of the child at the centre of their practice. We can help children and young people up until the age of 18 or 21 if they are care experienced, or up to 25 if they are care experienced and still in education. We can also provide advice and assistance to adults who work with or care for children in Wales. We make sure we keep the information you share with us confidential unless we think what we are being told suggests that a child or young person is at risk of harm. We then share the information with other organisations that can help protect the child. We always aim to give you advice or support directly, or to point you in the right direction. We often help with issues like educational entitlements, social services and complaints. The issue your child is facing might be different, and that's okay. You can still get in touch with our advice team. Help you. They will point you in the direction of someone who can. You can contact the team by phone, email or by using our website. If you contact us by phone, a member of our team will ask you some details like the name and the age of your child and pass you on to one of our duty officers. You don't have to share your name if you don't want to. If you are contacting us by email or on our website, someone will get back to you to talk about your problem. The advice line is available from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. and is free for you to use.